Hardened steel shackle for use in high-risk areas. 8.25 inches wide x 5.125 inches tall with 0.50-inch shackle fits securely. Bike mounting bracket included. Top reviews from the United States. Good luck for what I needed. I'm not sure if everyone else got a really crappy locking mechanism or what, but mine works very well. When you insert the key to unlock the bar, the key has to stay in the lock to keep the holes open for locking it back up. If you remove the key, the U-bar simply won't be able to go back in the lock. This sounds confusing, so I'll add some photos. I don't have a super expensive bike, so I didn't want to shell out $50 bucks. I'm sure the more expensive ones are sturdier, but with where I live, I just need a lock that'll make it not worth the thieves' time.